We'll try to get the extreme wash again. We will get the extreme combination wash again. We'll try this again.
That one.
Yes. We'll try the top wash again. Get the combo wash. Yeah, look at the wet. Yes. Try this again. I hope it be fixed. I hope it doesn't get wasted.
Okay.
Come on. Waiting for the activating one. Yes, they fixed it! They fixed it already! They finally fixed this machine! Oh, I got the extreme combination wash. They fixed it! Yay! This is a brand new Mark 7. Mark7.net. Drive forward. Drive forward. Stop! I heard a beep. Stop. Starting with brushes. Now it comes to brushes. Starting with brushes. Daddy comes to start with brushes. Yeah, we got to the combination. And then next to be touch with and soft touch. But next time we'll take a truck to touch-free option with basic. Okay, plans. Yay! Get down there. Get down. They got it fixed. They got it fixed. Get down. They got it fixed. They got it. And we're gonna take a truck next time and get the touch-free basic. So it's touch-free. Won't get damaged in license plate. Ooh, comes high pressure wash. Got a touch-free and soft touch combination. Well, touch-free and soft touch combination. That was crazy. What's in it? Now comes the hot wax. Here comes the hot wax. Ooh, hot wax. Here comes the hot wax. Oh, now comes the triple foam. I think. Oh, it comes to waxing right now. It's not triple foam yet. It comes waxing right now. Oh, it looks like a triple foam right now. Here comes the triple foam. And never passive brushes. Wow. It was a hot wax, then splits to triple foam. Then it starts with brushes again. That was crazy. I think it's waxing now. Triple foam. Wow, it comes high pressure wash and the brushes. Just not gonna look at the front camera for the brushes. Wow. They coated it differently. Done for the bushes. Now, what's next? Looks like a waterfall rinse. Looks like it comes to rinse. It comes to rinse. Oh, it's waxing right now. Look, it looks like there's a waxing, rinse and wax. Rinse the wax. And there's a spot for you rinse on the back too. I think so. Yep, it was. Oh, dry forward then.
No. Okay.
Yay! That was different. Didn't get wheel wash at this time. Now. Didn't get wheel wash at this time. I got you the combination wash. Good thing. Because rinse, wax, and spot rinse, and the blowers. Yeah. Next time we get the touchway option. I believe there's a brand new system. We're all done. Then we need the wiper on the back. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it didn't get dry well good. And that's all. Thanks for watching. This is a brand new system.